Hello everyone, my name is Brittany Flandrick, and today I'm going to be walking you through my week 8 discussion questions. Here we go. The first question is, why is fluency important? Fluency is important for many reasons, but there's one reason in particular that I learned. So in order for you to understand a text, you need to be able to read the words and understand them. So the better you're able to read a text and understand the words that you are reading, and to be able to use the words to relate to the text, you were able to focus on the text you're reading and its meaning. Is developing fluency just as important for writers as it is for readers? Yes. Students who are able to write their words down with their thoughts in a correct and fast manner are able to get their message across in their writing. How can a teacher help students develop reading and writing fluency? There are so many ways to help a student develop reading and writing fluency. These ways including reading with a student on a weekly basis and tracking it, doing chorale reading, reading theater, writing activities often, working on spelling words with your student. It is very important to do it within the instructional reading level to not create frustration with your students. There are so many resources you can find to help your student with this. Some fluency activities that I found. So one of them my daughter does at school, and the other one is something that that I found that I used when I did my tutor. So the first one here, I will turn it. The first one is read and roll. I use this for my tutoring last semester for another class. And the first thing you do is you read all the phrases together on these different sections. And then you practice them reading with a partner. Lastly, you roll a dice. You pick a phrase based on the number on the bottom, and then you read it to a partner or your own partner. Repeat this with a partner or a group. The second was reading with a stuffed animal. So with my 3 Kers, I already do this on Fridays, where they pick a book and then I usually read it to them, and we sit with a stuffed animal carpet. But what my daughter does is she gets to bring a stuffed animal to school, and she'll sit in like a special quiet spot, and then she will read to that stuffed animal. So how I want to modify this is I would have them read it in a funny voice or whisper it to them. I liked in one of the videos that it had like a funny, you could like read if like you have a cold, or you could read like you're an alien. I like that a lot. So those are my 2 reading activities. And those are my sources. Thank you so much for listening to me today. Have a great night.